Okay, guys, doing another stupid thing. Video to test out my camera. In the bathroom. No, just testing my camera. I just want to use my camera more, but just here to tell you guys that I'm going to be make a couple more videos soon with more videos soon. But I mean make a lot more with a good friend of mine, Alex Pulo. Go check out his channel, Alex P. But you're not really gonna be able to find his channel. Doesn't really have a logo picture of him, so just I'll type in the description what to type into the whatever it's called, the search box or, and then it'll say Alex P, which one will show like a TV blurry camera. Now he filmed that specific video with a camera like I am, so it's gonna be a little blurry at first, but I'll take it to his channel. Okay, he has more subscribers than me. He's actually been working on videos much more than me. I haven't. So zoom in. So yeah. So this one, once you guys know that, when me like a couple videos from now, it's gonna be me and him make a couple videos. So it's a good friend of mine. So Nick Kearns out.